Hello. Today I'm gonna teach you here the tip one learn common and vocabulary. Right. This is very important for you, especially to pass your German A1 level. And the first and the most important tip is to learn German A1 vocabulary. This is very important. You must learn A1 vocabulary first. This is a very important tip to learn to pass your exam of A1 in German language, right? And the second thing, if you know the common words, you will understand the listening recordings much better. This is very important. Just remember this thing and just all the time just think about this thing. And if you know the common words, definitely you must know each and every common words, and it will help you a lot, and you will understand the listening recordings much better, right? If you want to get the things much better, you must know the common words. This is a very important thing, about common words, right? We just sometimes miss the common words, and ultimately what happened, we miss the train, and ultimately we caught the problem, right? So just must know the common words. Next thing is that, first of all, focus on these topics, right? This is a very important thing. I'm gonna tell you here the topics, right? First of all, numbers, you must focus on the numbers. These are very important, right? If you know all the numbers, you can understand listening very easily, right? And you'll feel better, right? After some time, after having the true understanding about these numbers, right, you'll feel better. Next thing, listen. Numbers like eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, 10, 20, right, 100. These are the numbers. For example, ich bin 25 Jahre alt, right? I'm 25 years old, right? The numbers will just give you a lot of understanding, right? Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. And the next thing is that you must memorize the to understand the listening, is that you must days and months is this is a very important thing, right? You must know the days and months perfectly so that you can get better results in your listening. And listen: Monday, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag. And the third month, Januar, Februar, März. For example, der Kurs beginnt am Montag. Der Kurs beginnt am Montag. This is very important, right? So here we must remember the days. Am Montag, the course starts on Monday. The course starts on Monday. Der Kurs beginnt am Montag. The next thing, time and date. Time and date, it's also a very important thing. Time and date. Look how important this one. Uhr, o'clock, heute today, morgen tomorrow, datum date. Again, listen: Uhr, o'clock, heute today, morgen tomorrow, datum date. And the example, for example, der Termin ist um 8 Uhr. Der Termin ist um 8 Uhr. The appointment is at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. And here we have used here 8 Uhr, right? 8 Uhr bedeutet im Deutsch at 8 o'clock. We use in English at 8 o'clock, but in Deutsch we use 8 Uhr. Richtig? And the next is that family. Family words like Vater, father, Mutter, mother, Bruder, brother, Schwester, sister, Sohn, Sohn, Tochter, daughter. Example: Das ist meine Schwester. Like, this is my sister. And the fifth one is that food and shopping. This is also very important, right? You must know all the words belong to the food and shopping, like Brot, bread, milk, Wasser, water, Apfel, apple, kaufen, to buy. For example, ich kaufe Brot und Milch. Ich kaufe Brot und Milch. I buy bread and milk. And the sixth is uh, jobs and countries, right? Jobs like lawyer, teacher, artist, doctor, student. Countries: Deutschland, Germany; Pakistan; Schweiz, Switzerland. For example, ich komme aus Pakistan. I come from Pakistan. Basic verbs. It's also very important. Basic verbs you must know. All the basic verbs like Kane, to go, kommen, to come, wohnen, to live, arbeiten, to work. Alhamdulillah. For example, ich gehe zur Schule. Ich komme aus Pakistan. Ich wohne in Gujarat. Ich arbeite als Lehrer. Why is vocabulary important? This is a very important question. In the listening exam, you will often hear names, numbers, dates, times, countries, jobs, family members. And if you know these words, you can understand the audio quickly. So this is a very important tip. And these are the tips I want to just tell you here in listening. Just follow, okay, and just again and again, just listen, watch my videos, right? And if you like my videos, just don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, right? And also learn Deutsch from me online. My WhatsApp number is on the screen: 0346684826. 0346684826. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact with me to learn Deutsch from me online. Best of luck.